Om Dhanvantari Namaha. Hello everyone, this is Yogita and I welcome you all to the ninth episode of Ayurveda for everyone. So today we will talk about the Kapha Prakriti. Now Kapha is made with water and earth element. Now Kapha, when you think of Kapha, you can relate to mucus. Because mucus is sticky and heavy, so is Kapha. Kapha is made with the earth element. Earth is a heavy element and water. So you can relate Kapha to mucus. Now, kapha is responsible for the respiratory system, the immune system, the stability, and it gives lubrication in our body. So, when I think of kapha people, the word that comes to my mind is mast. Yes, mast. They're chill. They are like happy go lucky. एकदम tension नहीं लेना, मस्त रहना, happy people. They're very it's fun to be around a kapha person because they're like tension क्यों लेना यार, life चल रही है, सब ठीक तो है. So they don't take stress very easily. They're chill. They're must people. So now people who have kapha as a prakriti have soft, moist and oily skin. They have nice, luscious black hair, long hair. Their hair grows very fast. They have big bright eyes. They have fair complexion. They are not prone to any kind of acne or pimples or blemishes or freckles because their skin is very nice and smooth and moisture उनका अच्छा होता है. उनका T zone shine करता है जब वो सोकर उठते हैं. If you notice, then this area has a little oil. It shines. थोड़ा ऑयली स्किन रहता है उनका और उनके रिंकल्स नहीं आते बहुत जल्दी. दे वेरी लकी. द स्किन इज़ वेरी गुड इफ़ दे आर इन बैलेंस. उनको रिंकल्स नहीं आती, उनके बाल नहीं झड़ते, उनके बाल जल्दी ग्रो हो जाते हैं एंड दे डोंट नीड टू मॉइस्चराइज द स्किन एवरी डे because they have that oil element present in their skin. They have strong, stable, muscular body with strong joints. Their actions are slow. Again, like the earth is also a slow planet. तो वो धीरे धीरे चलता है. तो वैसे ही कफ लोग जो होते हैं वो स्लो इन एक्शन रहते हैं. दे आर स्लो ईटर्स. दे स्पीक स्लो. दे वॉक स्लो. बट दे वेरी लकी अगेन बिकॉज दे गेट डीप एंड साउंड स्लीप. एंड दीज आर द पीपल हु कैन स्लीप एनी टाइम एनी वेयर. दे डोंट स्ट्रगल विथ स्लीप. वो जहाँ लेटेंगे उनको नींद आ जाएगी. लेटे क्या, बैठे बैठे लोगों को नींद आ जाती है. So, they don't get angry easily. They're very calm. They're peace-loving people, and they are like problem solvers kind of people. If you go with any issue with them कि भाई मुझे ये problem है, they're like tension मत ले, मैं हूँ ना, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. They're like the agni aunts. They'll give you solutions. They help. They like helping people. They like coming up with solutions, and they're very peace-loving people. उनको फालतू के पंगे वंगे लेना पसंद नहीं है. लाइक यार तू खुश मैं खुश, सब चल रहा है, सब ठीक है. So those kind of people. So and they eat less, they drink less, they sweat less. They have large broad bodies, frame, and again they are very lazy people. They have problems waking up early in the morning. So they should follow this. They should follow early to bed, early to rise wala funda, because they are lucky that they get that kind of sleep, that deep sleep. So it's very difficult for them to wake up in the morning. So it's very important for a kapha person to follow a routine, and they should wake up early to rise, early to bed. Then they gain weight very easily. So there is these are those people जिनको हम बोलते हैं ना यार इसको तो हवा भी चढ़ जाती है. If he sees a person, somebody eating food, उसको देखकर भी they put on weight. These are those kind of people. They put on weight very easily, and it's very difficult for them to lose weight also because of the earth element present in them. So they have very cute face, round, chubby, and cute nose, and they have fair skin, and they're very huggable. These are the people whom you want to go and hug. They're very cozy. They give you that warmth. So they prefer dry and warm climate. They are highly compassionate, and like I said, they love solving problems. They come up with solutions very quickly. So when they get imbalance, they hold on to the past. They have issues with recalling the past and having regrets. and because of that, then they get depressed and disheartened. Now, because kapha people already are overweight, they might be body shamed, or issues like do come up, and they get hurt very easily because of that, and then they become emotional eaters. And when they become emotional eaters, they overeat, and then they gain weight, and then the cycle keeps on going. So it is very important for a kapha person to understand, work on the emotions, work on their mental health, so that they won't have issues like these. So they have poor and sluggish digestion. They enjoy sweet foods, उनको वैसे भी खाने पीने का बहुत शौक होता है, but they prefer मीठा खाना. So I have seen kapha people, उनको ना मतलब जैसे दाल में भी उनको चीनी डाल के खानी है, दही में भी चीनी डाल के खानी है, you know sambar में भी they like putting some, adding some meetha, or if they eating sada khana also, they would like to add a little meathi chutney, or the achar that comes with the little sweet taste. So they like having this kind of foods. So I've seen people जो normal दाल चावल खा रहे हो, उनको चटनी अचार नहीं मिल रहा है मीठा, they will put ketchup. So they want to have some kind of a sweet flavor when they're eating food. And they have good long term memory. They're very romantic people. They love surprising their partners with romantic getaways, or flowers, or something romantic. They love planning something romantic for their partners. They prefer to stay home. They don't like moving around. They don't like going out. अगर कोई प्रोग्राम बन रहा है तो they'll be like नहीं यार, घर में बैठ के नेटफ्लिक्स देख लेते हैं. They don't like moving out so frequently. प्लान्स बनाने का कोई मन नहीं करता, घर पे बैठते हैं, एसी चला के आराम से नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हैं, मज़ा आएगा. Those kind of people. And it is very difficult for a kapha person to adapt to something new. Now, kapha people do not like changes. They are static, just like the earth element. Because the earth element is heavy, so kapha people are heavy. तो एक जगह वो अगर बैठ गए हैं तो बैठ गए, वहीं के हो गए, वहीं पे बस गए. So they don't like changing places, changing house, changing jobs, changing careers. They are, once they're in their comfort zone, and so वो वहीं के हो गए बस. That's it. So they don't like changes. They are set. Once they're in the comfort zone, they don't want to change, and they don't want to experiment. They are happy wherever they are. They suffer from frequent cold and cough and sinus issues because of the extra mucus present in them. So that sticky mucus is there in them, and if they are not in balance, if they are not doing activity to balance their kapha, then they will have this allergies issues. Cold and cough frequently रहता है इनको, बार बार आता रहेगा. And मैंने तो ऐसे देखा है कफा लोगों का जो मतलब सालों साल तक they always have the जुकाम or cold, or the that mucus is irritating them in their throat. So it's always there. So to improve that, they have to do activities, and they have to eat foods that will pacify the extra mucus in them, or the kapha जो built up हो रहा है उसको reduce करने के लिए वैसे वैसे activities और खाना चाहिए. So now, how to balance kapha? Now, kapha people, like I said, they are heavy. They don't like movement. They don't like changes. But kapha people must exercise every day. They should move around. They should wake up during the Brahma Muhurat, which is 1.5 hours before the sunrise. उस टाइम पे उठ के इनको एक्सरसाइजेस करनी चाहिए. दे शुड मूव अराउंड, एंड उनको बैठे नहीं रहना चाहिए. आफ्टर एवरी हाफ एन आवर 45 minutes इफ यू आर सिटिंग समवेयर, दे शुड मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ मूविंग अराउंड. द मूवमेंट इज गुड फॉर देम. They should eat plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables with spice it up with little warm spices, so that those spices will help the mucus control the mucus, the extra mucus that they have. उसको control करने के लिए you should add spices to your food. They should avoid milk products like cheese, cream, ice creams, दही, पनीर. ये heavy foods जो होते हैं इनको definitely avoid करना चाहिए, because these food create more mucus, and that will create more sinus and allergies issues. They should stay warm in cool places. They should always stay warm actually. and they should follow the routine of early to bed, early to rise. Very, very important for a Kapha Prakriti person. They should eat light foods, well cooked food, warm foods, and avoid snacking in between. Because Kapha people are, static. एक जगह उनको बैठना होता है तो वो बोर हो जाते हैं, तो उनको खाना कुछ चाहिए होता है चट 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 करने के लिए. दे लाइक स्नैकिंग, snacking on chips and all, all those things, fried foods. They love snacking. So that should be avoided. What should Kapha people eat? People with Kapha Prakriti should eat barley and include millets in their diet. Very good for them. Then all pulses are good except urad dal. Then fermented foods are fine for them. They should have low fat milk products, milk and milk products. Low fat होना चाहिए. Honey and jaggery are superb for Kapha Prakriti. Now honey helps us reduce the mucus in our body. जब हमें ज़ुकाम खांसी होता है तो फिर our mothers, grandmothers, they used to bring that honey with ginger and tulsi. So honey has that capability of reducing the kapha in the body, the mucus in the body. So कफ प्रकृति के लोगों के लिए honey is like अमृत. बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ होती है. इनको honey include करनी चाहिए अपने lifestyle में, diet में. All kinds of oils are good, but ghee should be consumed in very small quantities, very small amount. Sunflower and pumpkin seeds are superb for Kapha Prakriti, but Kapha people should avoid all kind of nuts because nuts are heavy. तो वो और add कर देगा heaviness आपकी body में. So all spices are good. You should avoid salt. Now Kapha people have issues with water retention. So the salt intake should be reduced. Then all vegetables are good, but you should avoid root vegetables like potatoes, pumpkins. Those are heavy. हैवी जो वेजिटेबल्स होते हैं वो अवॉइड करो. स्वीट पोटैटो अवॉइड करो, अरबी को अवॉइड करो, पोटैटोज अवॉइड करो, पम्पकिन अवॉइड करो, एंड मैनी अदर अर्थ वेजिटेबल्स जो होते हैं, रूट वेजिटेबल्स, उनको अवॉइड करना चाहिए. देन यू शुड इंक्लूड फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल, बेरीज, चेरीज, पीच, पेयर्स एंड अनार, and avoid avocados, mango, bananas, dates and figs. Again, why? Because these are heavy fruits. Avocado is heavy and sticky, so is mango, so is banana. So once you understand कि हर ये vegetables and fruits किस element से बने हुए हैं, it is automatically very, you'll be able to understand कि हाँ, okay, if I'm a Kapha Prakriti, I shouldn't be eating. If I'm a Vata Prakriti, I should be eating mango and avocado because it will help me build bring strength in my body. But Kapha लोगों को इस extra strength की ज़रूरत नहीं है because they already have that strength and they have that heaviness, so they don't need these kind of fruits and vegetables. But having them occasionally is not an issue, but not having them daily. जैसे मैंगो का सीज़न है अभी, तो Kapha लोगों को हफ्ते में 1-2 बार खाना चाहिए, not every day. So ऐसे करके मैनेज करेंगे तो आपकी प्रकृति बैलेंस में रहेगी and you will not have any health issues. So this was all about Kapha Prakriti and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions regarding this, please reach out to me. I would love to answer them. And I'll see you in my next video, which is going to be about the dual Prakriti and the 3 dosha Prakriti. So see you soon. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat.